Okie doke. The little burrs off this ferrule. Whatever the heck you call them. Close enough. Better. Some kind of backslope? Not really. Or backstroke? Nope. Okie doke. Okie doke. So now we are going to fasten this little ferrule to our plate. Got my hood. I have my relatively well ventilated garage here. Got my gloves, 4043 aluminum filler rod, and lastly, my little TIG torch with the stubby gas lines on it. Just going to tack this sucker up right, spin it around, backside. That's roughly center. Got 92 amps for doing AC, full argon. So, nothing left but to get to it. Here we go. Come on. Probably helps with the ground clamp relatively close. Oh, come on. There we go. Ah, that's, of course. The filler rod decides to go flying. Anyway, here we go. For the second time. Okay, come on. Okay. There we go. Now we're cooking with potato bread. Doesn't look all that bad. I mean, by no means a professional or even close, but I'm gonna keep trying here. Probably way too hot, but yeah, probably a little too warm. Anyway, let's try this again. Oh yeah. Let's dip that tungsten. Proof to dip this guy around. It's still recording. Back side over here. The tungsten stick out a little bit more. The tungsten is 2% lanthanated from AHP America. Alright, they hold it pretty well. Okay, doke, here we go. Alright, so I thought. Aha. I'll stick them again. So, not the prettiest things in the world, but you know, I think they'll pass. It's a belt buckle after all. And it's actually relatively centered. Using relatively kind of loosely here. Probably should have moved it a little bit more. Anyway, can't live in the past. Here we go. So now, that's kind of skewed. Dang it. Oh well. So now we're going to take the piece of aluminum shafting. Aha. There we go. Once again, a nice little cheap Osh part or Home Despot or whatever you want. And this guy should line up. Oh well. Helps if you don't have a burr on the edge, but luckily we have our file here. Let's see. Let's get off. This action. Is he gonna fit? Is he gonna fit? A little more of this action. More. What if the weld pushed in the is it 2 maybe? No? Yeah, I don't know. Have to take it back and re-drill it. Oh, wait. It's just unsuccessful. Possibly. No, I want this one size fits all, do we? Okay, let's take it back to the drill press. The great thing with working the same vise is that take it from one place to the other. Your welding vise, that could be your drilling vise. Anyway, there we go. That's flat. Not flat enough. Here we go. Nothing that sounds quite as good as that is there. Okay. Now, $1 million question. Does it fit? Oh, here we go. Does it focus? Does it fit? The world will know very soon. Here we go. Oh. Come on. Come on. Okay. So in other words, not quite. In other words, you have to drill again. Dang. Okay, well. Here we go. Back to the drill. Stick. Now will it fit? Hopefully. Revise. Clamp, where the heck this thing is. We have it focused in. Drop it down. Oh yeah. Look at that. How off is it? You know, it's actually not that bad. Okay, well. As previously stated, I'm no expert, but it doesn't look that bad. Oh, it spins. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There we go. Sweet. So now it's time to cut up some of this and make a little speary part. Time to go to the bandsaw. So I'm making this at a 2-inch aluminum flat bar. So therefore I'm going to make these guys like 2 1/4 maybe. So that's 2 1/4. Maybe a little more, 2 1/2 maybe. I'll just guesstimate. But my favorite form of measurement. Mark with our file here. Only the best. Alright. Let's try that. Come on. There we go. Nice little mark there. Take out with the big bandsaw once more. Here we go. Voila. We have the first piece. One side will fit through. There we go. Well, it might be a little too big. Great, I'm making it too big. Oh yeah, that's a little much. I'll just make it actually like the width of, this would be the length of this piece. So it's like 1/2 inch, 5/8. Just hack off. I'll just keep hacking stuff off until it gets into it like. There we go. Probably should be straight. Let's try this. Aluminum dust off me. Okie doke. Okay. Here we go. Aha. Now we're cooking with bubbly water. Have that thing in there. Another one of these suckers. We'll be off to the welding table. Once again, take out the handy dandy marking tool here. Professional marking tool. There we go. Well, that should do it. There we go. Sweet, now we have our 2 pieces cut out. I just need our lengthwise pieces. Make those like 1 inch maybe. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's try that. Big enough? Hopefully. This goes on top, this goes in between. Should be plenty of room. Oh yeah, that's a little big. Make it a little bit smaller, I guess. Oh no, that'll work. Yeah, okay. One more of these. Bum ba dum bum bum. Bum ba dum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Okie doke. Right there.